Hi! In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Tella, a super easy screen recording and AI video editing tool. Whether you're a freelancer, course creator, a startup founder, or just someone who needs to make tutorials or presentations, this tool is a game changer. If you've ever used tools like Loom, Descript, Clipchamp, Screen Studio, but felt overwhelmed or frustrated, just stick around. You're gonna love this. Let's get into it. So, quick question. Have you ever spent hours recording something, then even more hours editing, only to give up because it's just too much work? Yep, same here. What I wanted was one tool to do it all. Record, edit, and share fast. So that's exactly why I use Tella. Now let me show you how it works step by step. All right, so once you open Tella, you'll see a big red record button. Click it and you can choose screen only, camera only, or both. And then you could also use a teleprompter, so you don't need to memorize all your script while recording. So you can pause, redo, or restart whenever you want. So don't stress about being perfect on the first try, because you can also use multiple clip recording, just like TikTok, here with Tella. Alright, so after you stop recording, click preview and it takes you to the editor. So once you're in the editor, here's the dashboard. You'll see the timeline at the bottom here. When you hit play, your video will play, and then you can see the tools here at the right side of your screen. Tools like cut, zoom, layout, background, border, subtitles, just redo, and settings. It looks really clean. So even if you don't have any experience editing at all, this is super easy to use. So once you're inside Tella's editing dashboard, here's a quick tip. So if your video feels slow or laggy while editing, just click settings and then click this button, edit faster. So your video will be converted into low resolution. So it loads quicker and you can edit faster. You'll get smooth editing without the wait. Alright, so now let's go with the editing part. So you can actually learn Tella very fast because I'm going to show you very quickly. First, let's go to cut. So there are 4 tools inside cut. So you have here find mistakes, remove buffers, remove silences, and remove filler words. So let's find mistakes first. So it's analyzing. I'm really sorry about the last video where I fast forward these part. I thought you might get bored when we do the editing and wait for it to finish its job. But I was wrong. I'm so sorry. So I'll just show you the real editing part and we'll just wait. This will not take a minute. There you go. It's constructing JSON output. It's very fast actually. Oh, there you go. It's about only 20 seconds, I guess. Okay, so here's the find mistakes parts. You have the transcript here. It gives you this and you can just click accept if the mistake the AI found is correct. So for example, what if I told you that you can start building income passive stream? So this one is accept. Look at that. I've repeated it multiple times. This one is correct too. And this one we need to delete also that because this is the real start. What if I told you that you can build passive income streams even if you're a freelancer, a solo, yeah, that's correct. A business solopreneur or content starting. I've tried this myself. This one, the only, and then decline if you don't want to delete that. So let's talk about simple passive income streams. Multiple take replacement. So let's accept that. Let's talk about, okay, so but I didn't know okay. Early terminated sentence. Correct. I didn't know how to build it actually. What they usually, all right, repeated paragraph. That's correct. I actually ended up burning my money. I only was didn't show I didn't earn. And that gets really tiring, especially when you're juggling family, work, and life. Correct. It's really fun editing, right? So that's one small decision to start creating content become the domino that actually changed everything. So today I want to share with you some simple passive. Okay, so now I want to share with you some simple passive income that I've started building. This is correct. Content creation. So that was when I was an insurance agent, and then some brands, local brands. No, decline. Solopreneurs. Okay, so So something that would help with content. So I became freelancer, helping business companies, solopreneurs, and small solopreneurs. This one and small business owners delete video. So decline that. So the best part. So false start, correct? False start. All right. So now we already edited the video through the transcript. Okay. So as you can see, there's still a lot of spaces or silences. So let's now edit that. Okay. So we already edited the mistakes. Now we go with buffers. So let's remove the buffers. It says here, save 4.8 seconds by removing the silent parts of the start and the end of your video. So let's remove buffers. Remove buffers. Okay. And then now, so the buffers are already removed. So silences, as you can see, there are a lot of silences still. So if you click natural, there's no silences found. Fast, there's 76 silences found. Faster, there's 89 silences found. So I usually go with faster. So all the silences will be removed. So let's remove all 89 silences. There we go. And then it says here remove filler words. So let's remove one filler word. All right. So that's it. Now we're done with the cut tool. We've already edited your mistakes, silences, buffers. Let's now go with the zoom feature. So here you can actually generate zooms automatically or you can add manually. So let's add the zoom automatically. So this will also make your editing faster. So it says here no zoom selected. So let's just add, for example, like this. So you just need to put the cursor here. So this will highlight something like that. All right. So this is perfect if you are doing tutorials for your product, online product or software. This is perfect. The zoom feature is perfect for that. All right. So now let's go with layout. So here with layout, you can actually generate layouts automatically. So you have here the template, which is the auto demo tutorial presentation, and you can also browse all, and you can just also add it manually by click add a layout and then put something like that. Add the layout here, put like that. Okay, so let's try to generate the auto layout. So it's generating. It doesn't take a minute to generate layouts. It will only take around less than 60 seconds. All right, so now it's already applying layouts, and let's see how it does. So let's play the video. Are you tired of your money? You can build massive income streams. Even if you're passive income idea still work and would pass. Okay, so if you like the layout of the video, then you can just go with it. Or if you don't like, you can just regenerate it and choose a template that you'd like to use. Okay, so for example, let's regenerate too much camera. So regenerate. So you can regenerate as many times as you want, but if you want to just add your layouts manually, then you can just do that. So whichever works for you best. Okay, so let's see the result for this one. So it's already finalizing and fine-tuning. There you go. All right. So I think I like the second one. And once you like the second layout, then we can now go to the background feature. So the background feature here, you can choose an image, animated backgrounds, or a color background. If you have brand colors, you can just use the color backgrounds. My favorite is the animated background. So for example, this one, if you are like that, or here, or this one. So there, you can choose anything there. And you can also click apply to all clips, so the background will be consistent, right? So that's the background feature. Now let's go with the border. So the border feature is where you can choose whether if it's the shape will be rounded or sharp edges or shadow, or this one, and the style. So you can change whatever style you like here. And then here is the subtitle button. You can toggle this on and you can choose from the 5 styles here: the backdrop, highlight, mono, camera, classic. So this one's my favorite. Here you can adjust it's small, medium, or large. So let's go with the small, and then the position, let's put it down here so it will not cover our face. And you can just change the background color and the text color of your subtitles. And then here you can just edit if there are misspelled words. You can just edit here the subtitles. All right, so that's the subtitle tool. And then now let's go with the adjust tool. So with the adjust tool, you can just crop the screen So you have here custom size auto crop. So let's look at the auto crop feature, see how it goes. Oh, perfect. I love it. So it just crops 7 layouts. Nice. What if I told you it'll ask you? There you are. So perfect. The auto crop. All right. And then here's the camera frame. If you recorded yourself in a not centered camera position, you can just adjust here the camera frame. So cool, right? And you can just mirror here camera. I like my camera mirrored, right? Okay, so that's the adjust tool. Redo, re-record. And here in the settings is the aspect ratio where you can change the size of your video to portrait, square, or landscape. But when you want to repurpose your video on TikTok, Reels, Instagram, just duplicate this and then choose the aspect ratio of the video that you'd like. And then here you can also copy this one to a new video and then repurpose it to portrait. So you can now have a vertical video for shorts or Instagram reel. And then one more is that collaborating with others is very easy with Tella, because here you can add team members to record and edit the video within one workspace. So here you can do that. You can invite an editor or other team members to edit this video. So just click this plus button and then enter the email or name of your editor or team member, and then they will receive an invite, and then they just have to accept it, and then they're here. They can already see, edit, record. You can collaborate in one video. So that's how simple it is to use Tella. And now editing, if you're happy with your video, you can just share it through a single link. Just click share, copy link, and you can adjust the settings to workspace members, anyone with the link, password, or embed. So you can also share it as a video to an email, a GIF, or embed it on your website. And if you want to download and upload it on YouTube, you can just click download MP4, or you can also download the files in separate clips, and you can choose to make the subtitles print in or none. And then the size is a 4K, so this is the best size for the video. And then for below 5-minute video, you can choose the 30 frame per second. This one is for Tella Premium. 60 FPS is very, very smooth. And then you can just start export. So it's very fast and easy. All right. So the final takeaway here is Tella helps me create videos faster and without switching tools. So if it's perfect if you're a course creator, a SaaS founder, a marketer, a YouTuber, or a social media manager. So someone who creates presentations, demonstrations, product demos, software, this tool is so perfect. And you can get a discount by using my link. If you click my link below, you'll get a special discount. So thank you so much for watching. And if you have any more questions about using Tella, how to use it, where to find this, that, you can just comment down below and I'll answer it. I'm very sure that I will answer it. I'm answering all the comments. Tell me how you plan to use Tella. Is it product demo, course content, freelance work? I'd love to hear it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.